Hi Chakits, I have been following you and watching your YouTube channel for years.
I have decided to finally relocate to Las Vegas and want to start a new chapter in my life. I know you're the perfect realtor to help guide me to find my next dream home. I am looking for a modern kitchen, large backyard with a pool and a golf course community.
My name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I help buyers like this all the time, so if you're looking for a licensed professional, give us a call at 702-319-1092 or visit lvhomeexperts.com. Buying a home starts here.
All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. This is your first time tuning into this channel. My name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I'm over here in Washington in Jones, my old school stomping grounds. Now, Rainbow is just about a block west. That's where you can have all your shopping. And you can also jump on the 215, or you can also jump on the 95 if you just head south on Jones. So today we're going to be exploring this single story home that was built in 1987. Features 1,533 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bath with a 2-car garage. Also, the property has a pool as well. So let's take a look at this. So the only thing that sucks about non-HOA communities, right? Sometimes you can have a lot of cars. They can park whatever they want on their driveway, but some people take pride of ownership. Like that one, you have nice home. This one, pride of ownership. This one is actually a really nice house too. Now, you couldn't park your jet ski in a HOA community, okay? Here we have the main water line here underneath the concrete pad. If that ever bursts, you're gonna run into some problems. Also, homes around this time period may not have a post-tension slab because it wasn't required to code back then. So let's take a look at this. Here's your main living area. The ceiling does pitch about 12 feet high. Two-tone paint, LVP on the flooring. You have a gas log fireplace with some cladding. You're probably wondering why is this shaped out like this? Because you can't have laminate all the way to the fireplace. You have to have a hard surface here, according to code. Let's take a look at the garage. Doors are painted black. Let's see what we got for the garage. The garage has not been drywalled. Here's your firewall from right here, you can see. Washer and dryer looks to be right here. You also got your gas line right here, main water line here. However, I noticed with the water line to the main house doesn't have a regulator valve to regulate the pressure. Typically pressure is anywhere good from, ooh, they need to put some oil in that, 65 to 75 PSI. Popcorn ceilings. 6 inches on the straight edge on the baseboards. Off to the right, we have our rooms. In our kitchen, let's take a look at the rooms first. Orange peel texture 6/8 on the door. Right off to the left here, we have our full bath, tub shower combo. Fiberglass, cladded with the soapbox. And we have our black fixtures. Off to the right here, we have our primary. Now with the primary, 14 by 13, you don't have a PoE on here or the Ethernet, power over Ethernet and the coax cable, so you're gonna have to get probably direct TV or something. Here's the primary bath, which is a 3/4 bath. 8-foot ceilings. This is going to be a short video on this one. Oh, here's a closet. Oh, walk-in closet. Oops. Not bad. Oh, your attic access is right there too. I love these LED lights, man. They give out so much light, and they're pretty cheap on Amazon. Or I don't want to say cheap, it's affordable. So here's the second bedroom. These bedrooms are a little bit tiny, 10 by 10. And that's how big these bedrooms were back in the day. It's cool that you have a ceiling fan. Right across here, we have our linen closet. Another linen closet. Bedroom number 3. I don't know if you guys can hear that ticking or not. Tick, 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 tick. That's the ceiling fan. Off balance. Very easy to balance. 4th bedroom. Tiny little thing. I guess people were small back in the day, right? Alright. Let's go take a look at this kitchen. Now I noticed with this popcorn ceiling, they scraped it all the way up to this line here. And they glossed the paint. You gloss the paint typically in the wet areas. The kitchen, laundry room, and also the bathrooms. These are refurbished appliances. This one might be brand new, the Samsung. Yeah, this one, no, this one is used, but it's actually clean. What about this microwave? Brand new microwave. See if it exhausts out, something you guys need to check. So this one doesn't exhaust out, spits it right back into the house. So you're gonna get a lot of that chicken grease smell. Man, I love fried chicken. I haven't eaten fried chicken for some time. Guess your dining room table will go here. White shaker cabinets. Now the best part about this is that you got your pool. Lot size here, about 5,200 square feet. Looks like a jacuzzi went over here at one point. Now this pool is not heated. However, this home has solar panels. Definitely want to make sure those solar panels are paid off. Typically they're leased by Sunrise. I think it's Sunrise, forget the name of it, but typically Tesla takes over all the solar power now out here. And a lot of people think you own the solar panels. No, you don't. You're actually leasing it for like 30 years. All you're doing is supplementing one power company to another. And the thing that sucks about it is, if you don't have a place to store the power, then you can't use your power. Like days like this, you have no sun, so you can't use your power. So now you got to use Nevada Power. Some people say it's worth it. I mean, they live and die by it, but I feel like it doesn't work. Also, a quick tip, like these doors here, you can slide these up and down. But what they did was, got this little louver here, they just slide it right into this little knot right there, so that way you can't pop it up, slide it out, which is a good idea. Let me just turn off the lights here, okay. There. Love the kitchen colors, kind of give that modern look for sure. If you guys want more information about this property, go ahead and click that link in the description. Now, one thing I noticed about the floors here, if the floors are not leveled and you lay your laminate, right? Some parts are gonna be higher than others and it's gonna flex. And I can feel that flex. Now, the only way to get rid of that is a couple ways. Number one is by leveling out the flooring. And you can do that. It's gonna cost, but I don't know if it's worth the money or not, right? Or with the luxury laminate flooring, you can actually add a pad underneath. That's right. Now, if you add that pad underneath, it's gonna, you know, fill up that space and really give you that nice cushiony feel too. All right, guys, let me know what your thoughts are about this property. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe, click that subscribe button. Other than that, until next time, peace.
If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.